Assalamu alaikum everyone, how are you all? I think everyone is well. So I came back after a long time and I think all of you have been disturbed or have forgotten me because I was absent from a long time for a long time from my channel and I haven't uploaded any short or long video even to my channel, but I'm back now and from now I'll be uploading videos regularly. So don't panic about my channel. And I see that my subscriber is going down. Once the uh subscribers was 70, but that's now 68. So it's mean two people has unsubscribed my channel because of my absent, maybe. So I'm not worry about that. I'm always feel chill because I make videos for all of you, and there's two benefits there. There's two benefits making videos. That's number one, teaching my viewers or audiences, and number two is practice myself. So it's my benefits. So I think all of you will like me and subscribe my channel and will help me forever. So today our video's topic is some most common errors of CSS that we mostly do in most cases. So we'll be knowing some common errors and how to solve them. And suppose we have written a CSS code, but if we don't see the output of that, we become disturbed. So that's why we'll be knowing about some common errors that everybody does, but that's not visible. That's not clearly visible to us, and we start finding the mistake, but can't find out. So let's know about the common errors with a short intro. So now I'm going to open the Visual Studio Code. So this is the Visual Studio Code and the basic syntax of, let me increase the size of text 80. So this is the HTML structure. Some common CSS errors. So now today in this video I'm not going to write CSS internally, I'm going to write CSS external. So for that we'll have to create another file for CSS, and that's gonna be style.css, and each format should be .css. So now if we write any codes in this file, so how these codes will be connected to this HTML? It's a very valuable question. So for that we'll have to link it. So write link and link clone CSS, just tab it and make sure that this link is okay. Since I have named the file style.css, so that's why the link is style.css. Your can be different. So now suppose I want to take a text, that is the class is gonna be error, and we'll write here how are you all. So it's a text and let's see the output. So it's a text. Now we'll be styling it and we'll willingly make some mistakes and we'll solve them. So firstly, that is dot error. Since let me do one thing, that is let me create a text document, and for that view file name extension. So now I'm going to name it. Firstly, edit it. How can I edit it? That is I'm going to use Notepad. So this is the file. So now here I'm going to take the style tag. Now I choose Notepad because if you write course in Visual Studio Code, so automatically that suggests everything. So that's why we can't make mistakes willingly. That's why I'm using Notepad to make mistakes willingly, and I'm ready for to solve that. So now firstly access the error, and write here color red, font size 40 pixel. Everything is okay. Let's see the output. What's happening? Where's the output? Let me find out the mistakes. Style, everything is okay, but why it's not showing the output? Oh, the error is I wrote single bracket. There would be double bracket. So it can be a common mistake for all of you. So let's see the output right now. Making fun with me. Understood. Making fun is too much. Error. Now I'll have to find the error that I've done, but I don't know what error I've done. Error. What's happening? ERROR. Error. Color is okay. Font size is even okay. Class is normally accessed. Oh, the main mistake is fuck. Oh, the main mistake is this file is not connected with that file. So what can be done? Close it. Use Visual Studio Code as well. So here write error. So the first mistake was using missing semicolon. So now the second mistake I'm going to show you, that is red, and font size gonna be 40 pixel. So the font size is increased, but where's the color? I wrote the property, bro. What's happening with me? I wrote the color. Oh, the spelling mistake. It can be a common mistake also, that is invalid property. So it's called property, the word that is normally used before the value. It's the value red 40 pixels. These are the values and these are the properties. Okay, if you write an invalid property, so that will ignore CSS will ignore that forever. So it can be a common mistake also. So let me change the font family. Looking good, bro. Wow. So now the third error maybe that is unclosed bracket. So how it can be? That is, I shown the unclosed bracket error, that is I have to write double second bracket, but if I write single second bracket, so in Visual Studio Code that will show red, and that will show by red color. So that's why it's common error. So I'm going to show you now the missing semicolon. I made a mistake that I said that as the missing semicolon, but that unclosed property. So now write color. Oh, I don't want it, bro. Fonts Whoa. Font size is 30 pixel and margin top 20 pixel. Everything is okay. Let's see. There's no font size effect and even no margin effect. What happening? Let's see why it's happening. Everything is okay. I accessed the error. Let me make the text bigger. I even accessed the error, font size, margin top. Oh, I haven't used any semicolon. Let's see. The font size should be 50 pixel and then see the thamaka. So it's the effect. It's the error named missing semicolon. So since if you use Visual Studio Code, so there shouldn't be any common error that I'm showing because it automatically suggests everything that you need. But but you use a local editor like Notepad and even more noob editor that won't suggest automatically, so you can face this error. So this is how you can solve those. So the last error that I'm gonna show, I don't say, you can find out, or I'll be finding out. So now write font family. So I'm gonna write color green. Have you noticed anything? I don't think so. I don't think you have noticed. You should not notice because I haven't said that what I've done. The effect of green color has occurred, but why? Where the font family? There's no effect of font family. So remove one. Oh, the effect has. That's affected. How? I knew that's a error, but that's affected. So bro, it's not an error from now. It's free. It's totally free. You can use it. You can use multiple clones like this. I using. If you see, it's not an error, bro. You can use a lot of semicolon that you want. A lot of clone. But if you use clones here, so now see what happening. What happening against me? So now it won't work. The single clone is correct, but multiple clone is not correct. But multiple semicolon is correct. You can use AB as well. So I think you now you know about the common mistakes of what called it CSS. Now you know the common mistake of CSS. So I hope that from now if you use local editor or notepad, so you can easily solve all of your errors. And what should be the next video? If anyone can comment, so kindly you should comment, but I don't see any comment in my video. Even I don't see views in my video, so how I'll be seeing the comments? No like, no views, no comments. It's my strategy, not wanted strategy, unwanted strategy, unwanted tips, unwanted luck. So bye bye, Allah Hafiz.